Okay, so this is my purchase of a pre-owned Grand Seiko automatic. I think the model number for this watch is SBGR001. If I'm not mistaken, this is kind of the first automatic Grand Seiko after they stopped production for a while. It's not the first, but it's kind of the first automatic watch that they reintroduced after they stopped producing automatic watch for a while. The caliber is 9S55A. So what I will do is that I will resize the bracelet, wear it for a couple of months, and I will come back with a full review of this watch. Yep, it doesn't have a see-through case back, but it has that lion, Grand Seiko lion emblem on the case back, which is rather nice. Okay, I guess that's it for this unboxing video. If you're interested to know more about this watch, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Okay, so a quiz wristwatch check. So I haven't sized the bracelet, but this is how the watch is going to look when it's on my wrist. So it's not too big for my 6-inch wrist, and I really love the size.